In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Moviebox on laptop or PC. We're going to use the Microsoft Store, which is the safest, most reliable way to get Windows apps because everything there goes through security checks and updates automatically. This keeps your system cleaner and reduces the chance of installing anything sketchy from random websites. Let's start by opening the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. You will usually find its icon on the taskbar, and it also appears in the Start menu. If you prefer search, just tap the Windows key and type Microsoft Store, then open it from the results. Give it a second to load so the home page fully appears. That way, search suggestions and categories are ready when you need them. Next, click the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window and type Moviebox. Type it exactly as you expect to see it, since correct spelling helps you land on the right result quickly. As the suggestions appear, look for the listing that clearly shows the app name, its icon, and a trustworthy publisher line. The official listing typically features a clean product page design, ratings, and a clear install or get button, which is a good sign you are in the right place. Once you've located the official Moviebox app in the results, click Install. Depending on your version of the store, you might see a Get button first. That simply adds the app to your library and then begins the installation automatically. You should notice a small progress indicator showing the download status. The time this takes can vary based on your internet speed and whether the store is updating in the background. While it installs, it's normal to see the button change from Get or Install to a progress bar, and then to Open or Launch. When the download and installation are finished, click Launch or Open to start streaming. The app will open in its own window so you can explore right away. On first run, it may take a moment to set up its content and interface. And you'll land on the main screen where everything is organized for easy browsing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.